My name's Lance Della Pinta. I've been in construction my whole life. We've had a countertop company for the last 30 years. We do hard surface countertops, corian, granite. My wife, Twee, is a real estate agent. She has a lot of experience when it comes to stuff like that. And kind of how we ended up moving out here is that, I moved my business, my shop out here from being down in Kent for years. So this house was built in 1992 and it has a lot of interesting features to it. However, it had LP siding on it. It was a defective product back then and it has always been on the house. Getting the people out here to look at it was certainly an interesting experience. Being in construction, her being in real estate, was, some of the people that she, met was right off the bat. She was just like, no, we're not gonna deal with them because some didn't even know their product, some didn't even understand the process.
Pacific Exterior was not the least expensive that we interviewed with. They were right in the middle. He actually gave us a bid a year ago. So we called him because we were looking to side the house at the time.
Said he's really just a no frills kind of guy.
Yeah,
he's
very
in your
simple.
Face, this is what we do.
This is what we do. There's no nonsense kind of guy. I like that though.
We're not going to come back. We're not going to come back and say, oh, this is rotted here. It's going to be $10,000 more.
The installers, I could not recommend them enough. They're just amazing.
Guys. Really impressive. And it poured down rain.
Yeah.
The first 2 weeks when they started here. It literally just never
stopped. They were here on time. They left late. They just finished their project and
it was impressive. So one of the big things was this entry here, where originally it was arched, which I always thought looked really ridiculous. And of course, then I just told them that I didn't want them arched that way, and this is what they came up with it, and I think it looks really good with it. So you can see the electrical boxes, how they trimmed them all out and they painted them. Very neat, very clean. Same thing around here. All of the electrical extrusion, all that stuff, they painted and they trimmed it all out. Looks really nice, every bit of it. And if you look at the upper deck here, where it comes into the house, there was really no way that we could run lap siding. So they had to use basically sheet siding. It comes in a sheet and they cut it to fit all along the top of that upper deck to make it all finish off really well. And you can see it's a perfect marriage.
I've dealt with a lot of contractors and all that, and a lot of them will say something and then they'll, something extra for, you're adding on. And Pacific Exterior was just amazing throughout. They gave you a bid. And if they did something wrong, they would correct it and not add on to,
even if we had, parts that were, defective siding or sheeting or something like that, it was no problem. They just dealt with it.
Didn't question, didn't, say anything about it.
Everybody was very easy. Jake was very easy to work with. And he runs his crew really tight.
That specific crew that we had here, amazing.
You could look around here and see that it's not like a normal house. There's a lot of, things that, might go sideways when you're doing it. But they had an answer for everything and it worked out really well. Thank you, Pacific Exteriors.